Good afternoon. Today's collaboration is all things decor tabletop. The theme is Enchanted. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, Debbie Bubbles, and their guest host is Angie Forston. Co-hosts are Decorating with Jazazine, Deborah Cabaska Home Living, Design with Emma, myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Creating with Miss K, Lifestyle Design with Teresa, Vandessa J. So come along with me as I show you my enchanted tabletop. Good afternoon, everyone. Today's video is Everything Tabletop. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Debbie Bubbles. Their guest host is Angie Forston. So come along, the theme is Enchanted. So come along with me as I show you my enchanted tabletop. What I think is enchanted. So now I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done here. I've taken a tray and I purchased it from Burlington's. And inside it, I have placed the peat moss, a little curve here, and a few flowers, and a couple of butterflies. The flowers were from Kohl's. The butterflies were from the Dollar Tree, I think. And the little curve here was from Goodwill. The vase was from Goodwill. And the bouquet is one I had for a while. The glasses were from Home Good, and I'm just using them as candle holders. The beautiful pumpkin was from Burlington's, and the little dress in the back was from Goodwill. The beautiful candle holders were from Goodwill. So, Debbie, this is what I've come up with. I also have the 2 trays here. They were from Amazon. So this is what I've come up with for my Enchanted tabletop. I want to thank Debbie Bubbles, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Angie Forston for inviting me to be a part of All Things Tabletop. I will be leaving their information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out all their channels and all of the creators who are participating today in Everything Tabletop. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this All Things Tabletop, because without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and go ahead and ring that bell and share me out. And we would love to have you. Again, I will be leaving all of the creators' information in my description box that are participating in this open collaboration, All Things Tabletop. So you all make sure you watch the full playlist. And this is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.